Say hello to Joe. Joe's machine shop has grown steadily along with the economy. Joe has been acquiring more CNC machines to match his workload, and now he's looking for an edge in this competitive market. He's considering multitask machines, or MTMs, to take on more complex jobs and be able to cut parts from beginning to end with a single setup. But he was concerned. MTM machines are expensive, and he had heard that they were complicated and hard to program. Could he get his programmers trained? Would he be able to make back the money he invested in MTM? Would it help him grow his business? Joe decided to take the leap. But, unlike competitors that rely on CAM systems that can't handle new multitasking requirements or have difficulty integrating existing machines into their overly complex CAM system, Joe wisely invested in GibbsCAM. GibbsCAM is the solution for programming the simplest to the most complex machined parts. One that's completely scalable and easy to learn, use, and adapt. GibbsCAM makes CNC programming a breeze because it has a single unified interface for all levels of programming. No need to learn a new interface when you add more complex machines to your shop. Even if Joe decides that a Swiss-style machine will be the best solution for his business, he knows that GibbsCAM can handle the job. GibbsCAM can program an unlimited number of axes and spindles, all within the easy-to-use interface. GibbsCAM MTM gives Joe's programmers pinpoint control over machine motion, optimizing the machine movements and toolpath. This creates an optimal part program, running as efficiently and safely as possible. Creating alerts early in the process, when errors are detected. It can even help the user find and fix them on screen to prevent problems at the machine. GibbsCAM creates accurate simulations of all machine movements, not just the toolpath, but even the non-cutting machine components, such as tool blocks and fixtures. Accurate machine simulation catches errors, gouges, and potential machine crashes before the part gets anywhere near the shop floor, saving Joe's company lost money and even gives them the peace of mind to run part programs unattended overnight, a real competitive edge. Joe quickly found that a custom post-processor for his MTM machine was crucial in order to maximize his machine's ROI. His GibbsCAM factory-supplied post-processor is specific to his machine and control combination and is an absolute must-have to keep his production running smoothly. What Joe also found out was that he was not only able to create error-free programs for his new complex machine tool, but he was also able to optimize his programs and improve cycle times, making the investment in GibbsCAM and the machine tool even more profitable. So, if you're like Joe, you need to put GibbsCAM to work for you. It's the complete CAM system for all your CNC machines.